Before investing, prepare the ground. Before you think about where to put your money, make sure that you have an emergency fund, minimum 3 to 6 months of expenses. This gives you security if you lose income or have unforeseen events. You don't have expensive debts, credit cards, high-interest loans. Investing while paying 20% interest makes no sense. You understand that investing isn't about making a quick profit, but rather about growing your money steadily. 2 recommended options for beginners in 2025. I give you options from lowest to highest risk. You can combine them according to what you feel comfortable with. Option A, Global Index Fund. Low complexity. What it is: a fund that automatically invests in millions of companies around the world. Why it's good for beginners: automatic diversification, low fees, and no need to monitor the market. How to get started: use a broker or robo-advisor regulated in your country. Invest a fixed amount each month, DCA method. Option B, Fixed Income ETF, strong government bonds. What it is: funds that invest in debt from countries such as the United States, Germany, and Japan. Advantage in 2025. Interest rates are still at relatively attractive levels, so you can earn moderate returns with low risk. Ideal for preserving the value of your money and learning how the market works. Options a Bitcoin or Ethereum. ATFA controlled exposure. What it is: regulated funds that track the price of crypto. Why only part? They can give high profits, but also big falls. To start with, no more than 5 to 10% of your capital. Advantage: you don't need to know about wallets or keys. They are purchased like a share. Option de mixed plan 70-20-10 70% in global index funds. Long-term growth: 20% in fixed income bonds. Stability: 0.10% in cryptocurrency ETFs or growth sectors. Technology, AI, clean energy. This allows you to participate in market growth without risking everything in volatile assets. 3. How to get started practically: choose a platform regulated in your country, a broker or robo-advisor with good commissions. Invest an amount each month that doesn't affect your daily life. It could be 50 euros, 100 euros, 200 euros, whatever is constant. Don't touch your investment even if the market goes down. Think long-term, 5 to 10 years. Review once a year if you want to adjust your plan, not every day. For mistakes to avoid: put all your savings into a single investment. Investing because it's in fashion. Panic selling on dips. Betting money that you need in the short term. Summary: in 2025, for someone who has never invested, the safest thing to do is to start with global index funds and fixed income. Add a small percentage in cryptocurrency ETFs or growth sectors, and do so with automatic monthly contributions. This gives you diversification, learning, and risk control. As you can see, starting to invest in 2025 doesn't have to be complicated. With small steps, consistency, and choosing where to invest your money wisely, you can build a much more solid financial future without needing to be an expert. And now tell me in the comments, have you already started investing, or are you thinking about doing so for the first time this year? I'd love to hear from you and help you with any questions you may have. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell. Every week I'll upload new strategies and practical tips to help you improve your personal finances. And remember, your financial future depends on what you do today, not tomorrow. See you in the next video.